Hello friends, actually good morning, this is Shiva here. Happy to share my knowledge and whatever I know actually I'm sharing with all our friends. So this part of video explains the sourcing and procurement in SAP S/4HANA in SAP in case of SAP Ariba, and actually I have already created sourcing and procurement with our standard functionality. So now actually as a part 2 actually as already mentioned, I am sharing the SAP Ariba part of procurement. So SAP Ariba is a commerce cloud platform, right, that enables an enterprise to carry out the entire source to pay process and help the organization to control cost, minimize risk, and improve profits. So SAP S/4HANA is a source system for providing master data such as suppliers, SAP General Ledger, GL account, cost center to SAP Ariba. Okay. Transactional documents such as purchase orders, goods receipt, and contracts get replicated in the real time from the SAP Ariba to SAP S4 HANA. Okay. So SAP Ariba includes the following solution components. Those are first one is Ariba network, second one is SAP Ariba strategic sourcing, previously known as upstream module, and third one SAP Ariba procurement content, previously known as downstream module. Okay, these are the three main section or components in SAP Ariba. First one is Ariba network, second one is SAP Ariba strategic sourcing, early known as upstream, and then third one SAP Ariba procurement content, earlier known as downstream. So what is Ariba network? Okay, so if you think Ariba network, it's a cloud-based Ariba network enable buyers and suppliers to collaborate efficiently to manage business process, right? So buyers can exchange the purchase order electronically with Ariba network, and suppliers use Ariba network to exchange order confirmations and advance shipping notifications, that is ASN, and to send invoice effectively. Okay, and Ariba network provides the following benefits. Okay, when a person is asking what are the benefits in achieving or utilizing the SAP Ariba network, those are Ariba network can integrate with any SAP ERP backend and protocols. Ariba network supports the exchange of procurement documents that are relevant for the procurements of goods and services. Ariba network transactions rules help to validate invoice errors upfront and reduce invoice errors in accounts payable functions. Okay. Yeah, these are the advantages. So the Ariba network can integrate with any SAP ERP backend and protocols. Ariba network supports the exchange of procurement documents that are relevant for the procurement of goods and services. Third one, Ariba network transaction rules help to validate the invoice errors upfront and reduce invoice errors in the account payable functions. Okay. Ariba network delivers benefits and value to the companies of all sizes, industries, and regions. Ariba network value proposition for suppliers and buyers, right? So, which dramatically increase the values, right? For the supplier, that is um seller, we have increased revenue, that is from 5 to 32 percentage of revenue increase, and say sales and marketing processing orders, accounts receivable process, so which completely increases 15 to 75 percentage of process savings, and and then actually the faster payment, which increases to 15 to 75 percentage of time savings. So the total savings will give enormous increase in the value. Okay, value saving. And in case of buyer values, the total saving comprises of cash and discount and contract compliance, which increases to 4 to 7 percentage procure to pay savings. Okay, and then AP process, procurement process, which increases to 3 to 9 percentage of sourcing savings, and sourcing, which increases to 3 to 9 percentage of sourcing savings. So this gives a Ariba network value proposition both in the buyer side and the seller side. So electronic invoices. What is an electronic invoice? Okay, so that turn paper into efficient electronic transactions without without involving the paper transactions. We are bringing the paperless transaction, which gives an efficient electronic transactions. Ariba network accepts electronic versions of purchase order from SAP S4HANA and enables the supplier to flip the purchase orders to invoices. And then collaboration. Okay, the collaborate immediately with all the trading partners, as the access to all network suppliers is already enabled. Then comes compliance. Catch errors and correct them before they happen. Okay. Ariba network enables global invoice compliance. Okay. Enforce policy and compliance in a real time and send notifications and alerts based on the transactional data. Okay. This forms a compliance. Now comes the SAP Ariba strategic sourcing, that is upstream model. So SAP Ariba strategic sourcing covers sourcing, contract management and spend analysis, and it has the following solution components. So what are they? So SAP Ariba sourcing. SAP Ariba sourcing solution includes process management features that allow business users to control sourcing project from planning stage to the awarding of individual events, right? SAP Ariba sourcing is a comprehensive web-based tool that allow users to create and manage online requests for information. Nothing but in short, in short, RFIs. That is request for information, right? And request for proposal RFP and auctions. Okay, so this is a SAP Ariba sourcing is a comprehensive web-based tool that allows users to create and manage online requests for information RFIs and request for proposal RFP and auctions. So the following are the key functions of SAP Ariba sourcing. Okay, so templates. The templates enable user to create a new event and the projects using approved business process and to store and manage events and documents. Collaboration. So the collaboration supports workflow notification for reviewers, approvers, and sourcing negotiation participations. And third one, project tracking, which helps users keep track of upcoming projects based on the duration and allocate resources for the future projects. Okay, and then track savings, manage multiple related events and track savings, including negotiated, implemented, and actual savings. And then comes workflow. The customizes review and approval flow to match a company's business process. Okay. So the SAP Ariba sourcing services and tools. Okay. So SAP Ariba sourcing mainly comprises of tools and services. Tools comprising of structured process, so which comprise of reporting, templating, workflows. This comes under tools which are structured process. And we have below tools we have codes and RFXs. Okay, so RFX auctions scoring. So this forms another grouping. One is below the tool, below the SAP Ariba sourcing, we have two things, that is tools and service. Below tools, we have structured resources and codes and IRFXs. And below structured process, we have reporting, templating, workflows. And below codes and ERFXs, RFX, auctions, and scoring is there. And below e-services, we have full support, that is supplier help desk, best practice center, sourcing and supported desk. Okay, these forms a Ariba sourcing tools and services. So what is SAP Ariba contract management? So SAP Ariba contract management solution allow you to automate contract authoring, and the publishings. Okay, manage contracts across the organizations and enforce contract compliance. The key functions of SAP Ariba contract management include the following things, that is contract type, supports contract of any type, that is buy, sell, internal or corporate, and integration, which is nothing but built-in integration with SAP Ariba sourcing for correct for contract creation, and then audit, which supports performance for audit management on contracts and automated compliance monitoring and alerts. Okay, and now we have SAP Ariba supplier performance management. Okay, so supplier performance management is a process that defines, measures, monitors, and analyze supplier performance to meet the business goals. It uses KPIs as elements of scorecards to monitor and manage the supplier performance in achieving objectives. Right. So supplier performance management key objectives includes objectives and analyzing the performance data. Okay, so below the objective we need to define the objectives aligned to your enterprise and the spend management strategy, define KPIs and gather data, that is surveys and scorecards, right? Through that you gather the data. Then comes analyzing and performance data. So this shares in performance data, I mean with the divisions and suppliers, and collaborates with supplier to improve performance through the corrective action plans. Okay, and SAP Ariba spend analysis. So SAP Ariba spend analysis provides visibility on your spend data and enable you to make strategic decisions. Okay, so now comes SAP Ariba Discovery. The SAP Ariba Discovery is a matching service that allows buyer to find a new suppliers. SAP Ariba Discovery gives buyers and sellers the opportunity to spend less time searching for the sustainable partners. Okay, buyers can specify their requirements in 10 to 15 minutes, and SAP Ariba Discovery find the qualified matches. Right? I mean qualified seller or a vendor. So SAP Ariba Discovery is automatically integrated with with SAP Ariba sourcing. Okay, and now actually we have SAP Ariba procurement content, that is downstream system. Whatever we discussed about the strategic sourcing, those are upstream, and now we have SAP Ariba procurement content, that is downstream. So SAP Ariba procurement contents covers operational procurement activities. SAP Ariba procurement content contains the following solution components. So those are SAP Ariba buying advanced edition, that is SAP Ariba P2P, covers the entire life cycle of purchasing transactions from requisitioning, ordering, receiving goods, receiving invoices, and reconciliation. After the invoice is reconciled, the approved invoice export, that is OK to pay file, is generated in the SAP Ariba and sent to the SAP S4 HANA system for supplier payments. So, in my next the page, let me show you the SAP Ariba Procure to Pay integration with SAP S4 HANA and Ariba network. Okay. So this shows the overview of the process. Okay. So SAP S4 HANA master data will be sent to the SAP Ariba Procure to Pay component. So it sent as a requisition, and this will be having integrated with the SAP Ariba network. So the punch out catalog can be integrated with the punch out catalog in the Ariba network. So and the purchase order is created. So once the catalog the catalog went to a catalog approval, and so actually the purchase order is created, and once a purchase order is created, so order confirmation and then followed by the advanced shipping notification happens. So ASN is generated, and this ASN will create the further GR and then invoice everything. So there is a document flow between this Ariba network, Ariba source procure to pay, and SAP S4HANA can be noticed here. Okay. And the invoice records can be generated after the GR. So invoice status updated in the Ariba network parallelly in SAP S/4HANA. Okay, and remittance advice will be, once a payment has been done, the for triggering the remittance advice, so it will generate the updation in the Ariba network as a remittance advice update. Okay, so these forms a end-to-end procure to pay cycle starting from requisitions, from master data to requisition, and then the catalogs and approval of catalogs, and then creation of purchase orders, and the order confirmation happens, so which is updating the SAP S/4HANA system also, and then the order confirmations will trigger the advanced shipping notification, which is updating the SAP Ariba procure to pay. And once the ASN is done, actually we are triggering the GR, and GR document is updated in the SAP S/4HANA system also, and which again triggers a further process of invoicing, and invoice will be updated in the in all the three systems. So invoice status updates is updated finally in the Ariba network as well as SAP S/4HANA. And once after the invoice verification happens, the payment is triggered, so remitted advice is sent to the Ariba procure to pay, and Ariba network we have updated remittent advice. Okay, that happens. So SAP Ariba buying edition, right? SAP Ariba procure, SAP Ariba procure to order covers a requisition, purchase order creation, approval, and receipt process to SAP Ariba. Invoice reconciliation and payments occurs in the SAP S/4HANA. So SAP Ariba buying edition, that is SAP Ariba procure to pay thing, which covers requisition, purchase order creation, approval, and receipt process in SAP Ariba. Invoice reconciliation and payment occurs in the SAP S/4HANA. Okay. SAP Ariba catalog. So nothing but SAP Ariba procurement content. Okay, that is a downstream. Allow users to create a purchase requisition from SAP S/4HANA and punch out to SAP Ariba catalogs. After selecting the goods and services, users check out and are directed back to SAP S/4HANA to submit the purchase requisition. Okay, the purchase requisition approval will trigger, then the purchase order creation, then followed by the goods receipt and invoice reconciliation, and payment occur in the SAP S/4HANA. And third part, SAP Ariba Invoice Management. So we are calling as SAP Ariba Invoice Pro. Okay, fills this void of inadequate accounts payable automation, requisition, approval, purchase order creation, and goods receipt occur in the SAP S/4HANA. Invoice receipt, invoice reconciliation, and the payment occur in the SAP Ariba invoice management. So we have three components, that is the SAP Ariba buying edition. So that is our SAP Ariba procure or to order, and SAP Ariba catalog, that is SAP Ariba procurement content, and SAP Ariba invoice management, nothing but SAP Ariba Invoice Pro. So this happens in this diagram. So that was shown in the diagram. So yeah, and so SAP S/4HANA native integration with the SAP Ariba network. Okay, prior to SAP S/4HANA, collaboration between suppliers and buyers was limited. Many manual interfaces have to be built to support collaboration, and wait time after each transaction caused a longer procurement cycles. Okay, so that's what I mentioned actually. The SAP Ariba buying advanced edition, SAP Ariba P2P, SAP Ariba buying edition, that is SAP Ariba procure to order, SAP Ariba catalog, which is nothing but SAP Ariba procurement content, SAP Ariba invoice management, that is nothing but SAP Ariba Invoice Pro. So we have the native integration of SAP S/4HANA with Ariba network, right? So here we can know why would you extend SAP S/4HANA with Ariba modules or functionalities? Because your procurement process and SAP Ariba go further than just a operational purchasing process in SAP S/4HANA. You want to use a full source to settle functionality that is SAP Ariba offers. Okay, examples include guided buying, commerce automation, that is Ariba network, collaborative sourcing and contract management, supplier life cycles and performance, supply chain collaboration, and end-to-end cooperation via the Ariba network. Due to the extensive integration possibilities of SAP Ariba Cloud Integration Gateway, the SAP Ariba solution can be connected to SAP S/4HANA EC as standard. Purchasing process are thus supported by both SAP Ariba and SAP S/4HANA, but form one experience for the user. Okay, these are the very important considerations. So, as already told, prior to SAP S/4HANA, collaboration between suppliers and buyers was limited because many manual interfaces have to be built to support collaboration, and wait time after each transaction caused a longer procurement cycle time. So, SAP S/4HANA provides a native built-in integration to Ariba network for buyers and suppliers to effectively collaborate and exchange purchase orders, confirmations, ASNs, goods receipt, and invoices. Okay, no separate or add-on is required now. I mean, in SAP S/4HANA integration with Ariba. Okay, so document exchange between SAP S/4HANA and SAP Ariba occurs through Commerce Extensible Makeup Language, that is called CXML. Okay, that is Commerce Extensible Markup Language, that is called CXML, which is used for integration between or exchange of document between SAP S/4HANA and SAP Ariba. So now let's move on to the say uh, the overview picture, which gives SAP Ariba sourcing, SAP Ariba contract management, and then SAP Ariba supply lifecycle and performance, and then SAP Ariba supply risk can be well integrated with SAP Ariba Cloud Integration Gateway and to the Ariba network, right? So here actually these forms say, let me show you. So here are the say here the supplier and financial institutions or logistic service providers are situated, and it is well integrated with the Ariba network. That is a main Ariba network, so which is well connected to the supplier and the buyer. So we have the dynamic discounting supply chain finance is available, and here we can see the SAP S/4HANA digital core, where SAP ERP, SAP S/4HANA are well connected to the SAP Ariba network. Okay, so we have SAP Master Data Governance, that is MDG, which is an optional, but I mean, nowadays in SAP S/4HANA's projects, actually we have this MDG in place for master data governance for material master, vendor master, that is BP related thing, or whatever customer master related things. All these things are well governed, that is GL. I mean, in case of a finance, GL, cost center creation, cost center group creation, all these things are managed with the MDG. So we have master data governance for finance, master data governance for supplier, and master data management for material master creation, all these things. So we have SAP S/4HANA Enterprise Management and SAP S/4HANA Central Procurement Systems well integrated with the Ariba network to the SAP Ariba Cloud Integration Gateway. So through the SAP Ariba Cloud Integration Gateway, we have SAP Ariba buying with the guided buying functionality or capability, and we have SAP Analytics Cloud is available, and SAP Ariba Catalog Management or SAP Ariba Spot Buying Catalog Management is integrated with the Ariba network, and then SAP Ariba Supply Chain Collaboration for buyers also integrated with the network. Okay, so all this forms a total hierarchy or a network of Ariba for the indirect procurement. Okay, so is purchase order collaboration. So we are going to talk about purchase order collaboration. So the purchase order collaboration will explain the four main functions, that is sending the purchase order from SAP S4 HANA, right? Purchase orders, that is new document created or change document which was already created and cancel to be cancelled, can be sent to the Ariba network, and then receive confirmation from Ariba network, that is receive purchase order confirmation from suppliers and receive ASN from Ariba network. So advanced shipping notification can be received from the suppliers, which create inbound delivery in SAP S4 HANA, and inbound delivery information gets updated in the purchase order. Okay, and then fourth functionality, send goods receipt, that is materials from SAP S4 HANA. Send goods receipt to the suppliers on Ariba network for incoming receipt of materials. Okay. So the purchase order collaboration involves sending a purchase order from SAP S4HANA and receive confirmation from Ariba network, receive ASN from Ariba network, and then finally send goods receipt materials from SAP S4HANA. So these forms uh, purchase order collaboration functionality. So we now here seeing the SAP extent of SAP S4HANA with the SAP Ariba guided buying. So guide your requesters very user friendly through the ordering process via, among other things, layout entails categories, Google like search, that is cross catalog search, catalogs, forms, workflows, preferred suppliers, and price requests from the suppliers. Okay, and SAP Ariba Commerce Automation Ariba network, connect your SAP S4 HANA to SAP Ariba network to communicate digitally with your suppliers about the orders, order confirmation, shipping information or ASN, receipts and service entry sheet, invoices and credit notes. You only have to connect once to reach all suppliers. The standard connection with Ariba network is free for the suppliers. Okay, and guided buying. Okay, so here actually we will see the Ariba commerce automation for the Ariba network, Ariba sourcing, Ariba contracts, and SAP Ariba supplier management. Nothing but a supplier lifecycle and performance and supplier risk, and supplier Ariba supplier life cycle and performance. Nothing but in short, actually, it is a SLP with so finally with SAP Ariba supplier risk. Okay, so we can see one by one in detail. So, Ariba guided buying, right? Guide your requester very user friendly through the ordering process via, among other things, layout entails categories, Google like search, cost catalog search, catalogs, forms, workflows, preferred suppliers, and price requests from suppliers. Okay, and SAP Ariba Commerce Automation, that is nothing but Ariba network. Connect your SAP S/4HANA to Ariba network to communicate digitally with your suppliers about the orders, order confirmation, shipping informations, receipts, service entry sheets, invoices, and credit notes. You only have to connect once to reach all suppliers. The standard connection with Ariba network is free for the suppliers. Okay, and SAP Ariba sourcing. So SAP Ariba sourcing is a convenient solution for the tenders and auctions in strategic purchasing. Okay, it supports a search for the right supplier, the shortening of procurement cycles, and the negotiation of market conform agreements and corresponding savings. Features include electronic and template-based supports for RFIs, RFPs, and RFQs and auctions, and integrated project workflow and document management. Okay, and dynamic real-time event views, integrated reports, and decision analysis through multiple what-if scenarios. Okay, and then SAP Ariba contracts. Paper contracts are the old-fashioned. With SAP Ariba contracts, you can centralize contract storage, improve compliance, automate and accelerate the entire contract lifecycle with full transparency and much more. Some features are design, review, and approval of contracts, within the integrated reporting and support for the e-signature via document signature and Adobe EcoSign all are supported. And contract creation with MS Word integration, approval workflow, templates, and class library, contract of all types such as purchasing, sales, internal or business related, non-disclosure agreement (NDAs), manage contract additions and documents, and system notifications when contracts are about to expire. Okay, and SAP Ariba supplier management includes supplier lifecycle and performance and supplier risk. And finally, we have SAP Ariba Supplier Lifecycle and Performance. In short, we are calling as SLP. Is a cloud solution for the comprehensive supplier management integration with the Ariba network. Provides access to the world's largest supplier network for the simplified communication and collaboration. It is possible for supplier data to be managed and exchanged with the ERP system. Functions for supplier qualifications and classifications are available, as well as the monitoring of supplier certificates. Integration with SAP Ariba contracts enables seamless transition from participants in tender to contract closing. So, SAP Ariba Supplier Lifecycle and Performance, right? It's a cloud solution for comprehensive supplier management, right? Integration with Ariba network provides access to the world's largest supply network for the simplified communication and collaboration. It is possible for supplier data to be managed and exchanged with SAP ERP system, and functions for supplier qualification and classifications are available, as well as monitoring of supplier certificates. Integration with SAP Ariba contracts enables a seamless transition from participation in tenders to contract closings. Okay, with SAP Ariba Supplier Risk, a comprehensive and continuous risk assessments can be integrated into the procurement process. The tool offers user-friendly risk views and alerts for all the suppliers, which can be defined individually for each relationship. It is also possible to segment suppliers based on their risk potential. The risk warnings are based on more than 5 lakh sources, including new websites, government sources, and disaster information systems. So, SAP Ariba Catalog and Spot Buy. So with Ariba Catalog, you can manage your own catalogs, or better yet, use a catalogs that suppliers offer via the Ariba network via a user-friendly interfaces. It offers extensive possibility for loading electronic catalogs, their validations and approvals. The spot buy prevents the people cannot find something in the catalogs and therefore bypass the desired purchase process. It provides coverage of all of the so-called tail spend by connecting to a B2B business-to-business marketplace. In this case, a marketplace of Mercatio with more than 9 million items from the various suppliers. I mean, compared it with Amazon.com. Your advantage is also that you do business with one business partner, that is either a creditor or a supplier, Mercato. So SAP Ariba supply chain collaboration, Ariba network. Achieve full supply chain visibility with SAP Ariba supply chain collaboration integrated with your ERP and supply chain optimization system. This Ariba network collaboration platform enables you to work safely and easily with the multiple layers of contracted manufacturers and suppliers uh, in key supply chain planning and execution process. Share production forecast, orders, and quality and stock information with the suppliers via the Ariba network and receive their answers in the real time. Anticipate and resolve delivery issues quickly with collaborative dashboards that warn you regarding supply and demand mismatches. And then dynamic discounting and supply chain finance. So market leading financial supply chain management solutions from SAP Ariba and partners offer you the possibilities, intelligence, and global reach to transform your financial obligations into strategic assets. You can eliminate manual process that make it costly and time consuming to manage expectations and enforce compliance. Okay. So this shows the supplier's order to cash view. So the Ariba network carrying open platform for customer value services. Okay, and buyers to source to settle. So sources include SLP and risk spend analysis, sourcing and contract management, and planning includes forecast collaboration, inventory collaboration, plan driven order collaboration, and quality collaboration. And procurement includes operational procurement, service procurement, content management, and order execution. Pay part includes invoice, payments on maturity, yearly payment discounts. So this covers the Ariba network functionality. Okay. So as already I told, so the purchase order here shows a purchase order collaboration, which is showing SAP S/4HANA and SAP Ariba standard integration. Okay. So the purchase order collaboration, that is sending purchase order from SAP S/4HANA. Okay. So this is sending the purchase order to the Ariba network. Okay, the purchase order, whether it is a new, change, and cancel, can be sent to the Ariba network. Okay, so Ariba network it is sending, and then receive confirmation from the Ariba network. So once a purchase order reaches the Ariba, updates the Ariba network system, so it sends order confirmation back to the SAP S/4HANA. So the order confirmation will be updated in the PO. Okay, and that is a receive confirmation from the Ariba network. That is receive purchase order confirmation from suppliers, and then receive ASN from the Ariba network. So the Ariba network will send the advanced shipping notification update to the SAP S/4 HANA, which creates an inbound delivery, which is updated in the PO and followed by the GR creation in the SAP S/4 HANA, and the GR document information will be updated, or the document information is passed to the Ariba network, and again based on the GR in Ariba network, it actually the ASN can be received from the suppliers, which creates an inbound delivery in the SAP S/4HANA, and inbound delivery information gets updated in the purchase order, and then send goods receipt, that is materials from SAP S/4HANA, sending goods receipt to the suppliers on Ariba network for informing the receipts of materials, and in turn actually the invoice document flow between this SAP S/4 HANA and Ariba network, and which initiated the payment request followed by the payment proposal and then payment, and remitted advice is updated in the system. So the invoice collaboration. So the three main status in the invoice collaboration process include receive, send, and validate. Okay. So receive invoice from Ariba network. So here actually the Ariba network is sending the invoices and to the SAP S/4 HANA model. So the receive invoice from Ariba network. So invoices are received from the supplier via the Ariba network, and then send the carbon copy. So again the SAP S/4HANA is sending the carbon copy. So I'm giving the encircle. So this shows the carbon copy of invoice. So supply invoices created in the SAP S/4HANA can be transferred as a CC invoices or carbon copy invoice to suppliers through the Ariba network for the status tracking purpose. Okay, this is for status tracking, carbon copy, CC. So this is for status tracking purpose in the further suppliers. And status update. The update for the invoices received from SAP Ariba network and CC invoices are sent to the supplier via the Ariba network when invoice is posted, paid, or invoice block is released. So whatever the invoice action, say for example invoice is paid, posted, or invoice block is released, So corresponding status update of invoices received from SAP Ariba network and CC invoices are sent to suppliers via the Ariba network. Okay, and then the what are the benefits of SAP S/4HANA and SAP Ariba native integration? Okay, so visibility. First one is visibility. So enhanced visibility to suppliers and buyers to purchase orders. Say enhanced visibility of suppliers and buyers in the purchase order and the invoice document status. Second one, procurement cycle. So accelerated procurement cycle time due to the instant exchange of procurement documents and real-time update of business process information. Okay, this happens very quickly and much more comparatively better than the traditional or older systems. And prevent errors. No errors in invoice receipts because Ariba network validates the invoices before submission. Okay, so these are the advantages. So, so we have seen up to this point this invoice, the purchase order collaboration and everything. And next we are going to the procurement analytics part. Okay, so which covers the spend visibility, insight to procurement activities, multiple data sources for the supplier evaluations and everything. Okay, and the procurement analysis part in SAP ERP, there is no easy way to track supplier spend, right? And the classification of purchase order spend, non-purchase order invoice spend, and supplier evaluation, right? These cannot be tracked. So in ECC, as I am again saying, there is no easy way to track the supplier spend, classification of purchase order spend, non-purchase order invoice spend, and supplier evaluation. Okay. Procurement related analytics are dependent on the data warehousing system, and it is difficult to view operational and strategic procurement activities. Pain points in procurement analytics are listed. Okay, first one is the spend visibility. No easy way to track procurement spend by supplier, material, or cost center. And second thing, insight to procurement activities. So, lack of procurement insights, example, purchase order running late, amount spent on the non purchase order invoices, and contracts expiring soon. And then third one, multiple data sources. The procurement data extracted from multiple sources and multiple transactions, right? So it is very difficult to analyze that. And supplier evaluation. No efficient way to generate metrics around the in evaluating the suppliers in case of ECC. These are the hurdles, and these are overcome using SAP S4 HANA new innovations and simplifications, right? SAP S4HANA offers a role-based SAP Fiori apps that allow you to make decisions quickly and efficiently. Analytical SAP Fiori apps brings a visibility and ability to track KPIs and analyze the data generally or in the tabular format. So, SAP S/4HANA offers role-based SAP Fiori apps that allows you to make decisions quickly and efficiently. Okay, analytical SAP Fiori apps bring visibility and ability to track KPIs and analyze data graphically or in tabulated format. You can get real-time KPI-driven analytics in purchasing spend, invoice spend, and contract compliance and supplier evaluations, right? SAP S/4HANA Fiori apps offers the following features, that is real-time access to the real-time information and large amount of data for the control and analysis of operational procurement data and easy drill down. Users can navigate to transactional documents such as purchase orders and purchase requisitions and filters. So SAP S/4HANA analytical apps provide filter options to view the data by supplier, material group, documents, trend, plant and material. Okay, we can use the filter using based on this criteria we can do the filter and then configurable. Users can define thresholds and save the SAP Fiori tiles to monitor the relevant right, relevant KPIs and proactively act on KPI thresholds based on the industry benchmarks. In this video, we will let you know how the SAP Fury apps provide you with the real-time insights and analytical reporting capabilities in spend visibility, contract analytics, and supplier evaluation. Okay, so we have the dashboard kind of arrangement for the procurement to see the overview page and how buyers can get all the required procurement data in a single dashboard. To spend visibility. So SAP S/4HANA offers a key analytical SAP Fury apps to track purchase order spend, variance, and non-managed spend, that is amount of spend to suppliers without purchase orders. So the key analytical SAP Fury apps in sourcing and procurement functions include purchase order value. So business background will be procurement department needs to have a data on purchase orders to perform various analysis to track purchase order spend. So the key functionality will be this app calculates the purchase order value in the system and offers drill down capabilities by purchasing category, material group, supplier, and trend comparisons. Okay, and the business value would be spend visibility. And next point, spend variance. So the business background would be procurement and accounts payable department make sure the purchase order values matches the goods received and invoices to make sure there are no variances from the committed purchase order spend. And key functionality would be this app calculates the percentage variance among purchase orders, goods received, and invoice received. This helps buyers to identify the variance and root cause proactively. Okay, and the business value would be spend visibility again, and non-managed spend as a Fury, the Fury app will be the third Fury app, non-managed spend. So the business background would be procurement department manages non-managed spend, that is the amount spent to supplier without purchase orders to reasonable amount to avoid maverick spending. And key functionality will be this Fury app calculates the amount paid to the supplier without a purchase order reference in relation to the total spend for the suppliers. So the business value would be spend visibility. So we have seen the three Fury apps with their business background, key functionalities, and business values. So the Fury apps would be purchase order value, spend variance, non-managed spend. Okay. So these are the some Fury apps in sourcing and procurement. So the procurement users can create user specific thresholds and monitor the KPIs for business requirement. Okay. So the thresholds will help the business to understand the business related functionalities. So the Fury apps will drill down the capabilities for the users to view the data by supplier, material, plant, and other required options. Okay, so this drill down options will help to know the spend variance of the exact organization using the spend variance app available in the Fury. And we can do spend variance with the drill down capacity. And so you can navigate to the transactional object pages from any SAP Fury app to view details related to master data and transactional data informations. Okay, and the object navigation options from the Fury purchase order value app. So we have purchase order value app is there, and then we can able to drill down or the purchase order value app with the object navigation options also possible. Now let come we are moving to the procurement overview page. SAP S/4HANA offers the procurement overview page app, which serves as a single dashboard for buyers to monitor daily tasks easily and effectively without navigating to multiple SAP Fury apps. Okay. The procurement overview page app contains the following components: filtering options, so options to filter the content by supplier, plant, material group, and purchasing group, and operational cards, so information about the contracts expiring soon and purchase requisition without a source of supply to support operational procurement activity. And third, analytical cards, So information such as purchasing spent by supplier, supplier evaluation trend, and overall supplier evaluation score to support strategic procurement activities. So which shows the procurement overview page and options for the buyers, so they can easily understand the procurement functionalities to their organization. So there are many functions. Actually we are simply calling as a 360-degree overview of procurement. Okay, and then real-time reporting and monitoring. So SAP S/4HANA allows users to define thresholds in SAP Fiori Tiles and enable user to gain real-time calculations of the KPIs to monitor spend analytics, contract analytics, and rated procurement KPI analytics. Okay, so here actually you can see the real-time analytics dashboard, which is showing the multiple functionalities, that is off contract spend, and then invoice price variances, and then contract expiry, unread contracts, purchase order average delivery, spend variances, purchase order values, and overdue purchase order. Purchase order. Revenues, and non-managed spend. So we'll give you on the days, right? And purchasing group activities. So it is a real-time analytics of dashboard which normally any procurement department will look for. So all are available. And contract analytics. Okay, contract analytics in SAP S/4HANA provide visibility to contract and ensure you achieve contract compliance. Okay, so we have many Fiori apps in SAP S/4HANA related to the contract analytics. So for those Fiori apps are unused contract, that is first one, second one contract expiry, and third one off contract, and fourth one contract leakages. Okay, so let's view on SAP Fiori app unused contract, their business background. So contract lie idle in the system without being referenced in purchase orders. Okay, and key functionality will be this app help you to identify contracts for which the release order, the purchase order has not taken place within the past 365 days. Okay, so the unread contract. So the business value would be contract compliance. And second app, Fiori app, contract expiry. So the business background is contracts are created on the system after negotiating with its suppliers. It is essential for buyers to know the contract's expiration detail so that buyer can act on them. And key functionality would be this app display the number of purchase contracts that are nearing expiry within the predefined time frame, and the business value would be contract compliance. And third Fiori app is off contract. So the business background would be strategic buyers create contracts and ensure purchase orders created with a contract to ensure contract compliance. And key functionality would be this app helps to measure the percentage of purchase orders items created without any contract, and the business value would be contract compliance. And then fourth app for the contract analytics is contract leakage. So the business background would be the strategic buyers create contracts to ensure that the contract should fall under the contract compliance. So the key functionality will be these apps helps to measure the number of purchase orders created in the system without reference to existing contracts. So we can get the idea for the each contract how many purchase order created, when it is created, who created everything. So the business value will be contract compliance. So this will show the contract analysis related to SAP for the Fiori app. Fiori apps related to contract analytics. SAP S/4HANA also offers SAP Fiori apps such as purchase requisition, average approval time, right? The purchase requisition, average approval time, and purchasing group analytics, that is buyers to track and monitor purchasing process effectively and optimize procurement process. Okay, for example, the purchasing group activities app provides visibility to the number of purchase orders, number of receipts, number of purchase order amount, and invoice amount. So we can easily drill down based on the purchasing group activities app, which helps to you to monitor the procurement related activities. Okay. So a few features of Ariba I like to highlight for the procurement. Okay. So user friendly solutions that guides your employees through ordering process. And second one, SAP Ariba guided buying with clear categories, that is styles, making it easy to find materials, services, forms and preferred suppliers. Okay. And Google like search on all content, that is cross catalog search, and easy access to catalogs, access to more than 9 million additional products via spot buy from Mercato, and mobile shopping and approval for faster process, best practice workflows, integration with contracts which increase your contract compliance, digital communication via Ariba network, the world's largest B2B network, easy and free linking to Ariba network for suppliers for electronic POs and invoices, go live of the solution within 12 weeks, and last but not least, a reduction in your cost. Okay. So an important part of P2P is the convenience of digital linking and communication with the suppliers. I mean supplier enablement. Okay. The digital communication with the supplier for exchange of documents such as orders and invoices results in many efficient benefits. What if accounts payable administration can realize the matching and processing of invoices with a factor of 3 to 5 more efficiently, right? Linking supplier for the digital sending and receiving orders and invoices is easily achieved via a smart email. The only thing the supplier requires is an email address to receive the order. Via a link in the email. The supplier can register once and then open the order and create. Among other things, PO confirmation, advance shipping notices, and invoices based on the agreements made between the buyer and the supplier. This is all free of charge for the supplier. So your system is connected